Hello my unique queens, Kiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. Today we are going to make two no-sew face masks for this difficult times that we are in. And so I'm going to start by measuring 8 inches from the bottom of my shirt, and I just simply drew a line across, and now I'm going to cut right on that line. I actually measured 9 inches just because there is that 1 inch seam fold at the bottom, but we're going to cut that off as you're going to see later. Next, you want to measure 11 inches outward, about 11 or 12 inches outward, to create the total length of your mask and the straps. And you're going to cut that off, and you're going to end up with probably some more fabric. I am cutting a women's medium shirt to kind of give you an idea. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and cut off that 1 inch seam that is on the bottom of your shirt. Following that, you're going to measure from the loose side, not the sewn inner side, but the loose side that we just cut. You want to measure about 1 inch downward, and then you want to go in 7 inches in. We're going to create our straps now. So you're going to do that to your top piece and then turn it around and do another 1 inch thickness and 7 inches in, and then you want to go across 4 inches. And what this is going to do is cut your straps from your mask. For this tutorial, you want to definitely make sure that your shirt is 100% cotton or jersey material, so that way there is no fraying and therefore no sewing. Once you have done that, the mask is complete. With every piece of cotton or jersey material, you want to make sure that you stretch out your ties. This will give you extra length, but also it slims it out and curves it, and that way it will guarantee no fraying. Now I'm just simply going to show you how to place the mask on your face. On to mask number 2. This mask, you're going to need a piece of fabric or a bandana. Now I have my USA bandana here, and I'm simply folding it in half. It was very uneven. I don't know why. Maybe it was sewn uneven, but you fold it in half. And then what you want to do is take your bottom half, fold it to the center, then take your top half and fold it to the center. Or you can do vice versa. This part really doesn't matter as long as you're folding them both to the center and overlapping your second piece. Then you want to take 2 rubber bands and you're going to slide them on to each end. I'm making sure that I bring them close to the center, and I'm just doing an estimate of how wide I need it for my face. After that, I'm bringing the 2 end pieces into the center, and I'm going to place one end inside of the other end to kind of tuck them away. Once you have it neatly tucked and you're satisfied with your tuck, I would take an iron and iron it just a little bit to help crease it and lay it as flat as possible. And then after that, you are all finished with your mask. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to the Unique Queen Gang. As always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.